Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI. Looking for next level protection and performance for your iPhone 16 Pro Max? This case from ESR is precision engineered exclusively for the 16 Pro Max. It has the exact speaker and port cutouts and ultra responsive buttons that are going to keep every function at your fingertips. So what sets it apart? Well, it has camera control like no other, offering seamless access to your camera button so you can click, press, or swipe with total accuracy. Charging is effortless. The magnetic lock is going to grip your MagSafe accessories with confidence, and it's going to snap into a wireless charger faster and more securely than ever. So when life happens, like you drop your phone, you bump it, you're covered because the military grade protection with shock absorbing air guard corners means that your phone is safe on all sides. It even has a camera guard lens frame to keep scratches at bay. So when you invest in a phone like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're going to want to protect it. And this case offers protection, precision, and performance all in one. And that is my point of view.